Now that we have our aim and scope in place, now time to consider the sources of information. So we can analyse work performances, maybe through observation, etc. We can look at workplace productivity, feedback from employers, students, and maybe trainers, secondary research from government, industry skills bodies, and so on, even changes to legislation and other organisational documents. Now consider who needs to be involved. These are your stakeholders. They could be employers, training graduates, workplace supervisors, or other trainers and assessors. The evaluation can now be conducted like any project. Consider the roles and responsibilities of various team members, the constraints on the project like time and cost, assessment of project risks such as confidentiality and contingencies where serious breaches might be in place, and the ground rules for the project, things like communication, monitoring progress, assistance from other people, and so on. With the project plan prepared and task roles and responsibilities allocated, the review process can begin. In the initial stages, this means gathering all relevant documents and information and collating the results. Consider the instruments you're going to use to evaluate the program. Things like surveys, questionnaires, direct examination of some of the student outcomes, diaries or logs, workplace observations, and so on. Here's an example of a typical evaluation checklist.